Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So we have already started with the lesson number 1, more about plants. We have studied about reproduction of plants and various ways how plants reproduce in the previous video. Now let us begin with the next part of same lesson, that is agriculture. The practice of growing plants on large scale for food and other purposes is called as agriculture. The large amount of grains, fruits, and vegetables grown by the farmer in a particular season in a particular place is called as crops. There are different types of crops. Different crops require different conditions of soil, climate, and amount of water for growth. Crops that are grown in winter are called as Rabi crops. These crops grow from November to April and these crops do not require monsoon rain for their growth. Examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, potato, mustard, coriander, oat and legumes. Crops that are grown in the summer are called as Kharif crops. These crops are grown from June to October. These crops depend completely upon monsoon rain. Examples of Kharif crop: maize, soyabean, cotton, urad, groundnut, rice, etc. There are different stages of agriculture. So let us look various stages of crop production. First one, plowing. The field is plowed, that is, the soil is loosened using plow to let the air get into the soil and to remove the stones and pebbles from the soil before the seed is sown. Enrichment of soil. Manure, that is cow dung, and fertilizers such as urea, superphosphate, ammonia, ammonium phosphate and nitrate are added to enrich the soil. Sowing. Healthy seeds are sown. Sufficient space are left between the seeds so that they get warmth, air and water as required by them for their growth. Irrigation. The crops are irrigated, that is, water is supplied to the field through pipes or channels so that the crop gets sufficient water for their growth. Use of chemicals. The crops are sprayed with the chemicals called as pesticides to protect them from pests like mice and insects. Farmers place scarecrow in the fields to frighten away the birds. The fields are also fenced to protect them from grazing animals such as cows, buffaloes, etc. Harvest and storage. The crops are harvested, that is, they are cut and gathered when ripe. The harvested crop must be stored in the godown carefully to prevent damage to the grains and seeds. Last one, transportation. The stored crop is transported to different places from where it reaches to our kitchens. Non-perishable crops such as cereals, pulses can be stored for longer period and transported later. Perishable crops such as fruits and vegetables have to be transported quickly. Step farming. In hilly regions, people do not have enough place to grow crops. So, they cut steep slopes into several steps and create flat surfaces for growing crops. This types of farming is called as step or contour or terrace farming. This is all about this lesson, more about plants. Thank you.